Hello, in this video I am going to cover Ethereum. Ethereum may be performing a cup and handle formation. So on Ethereum's chart, we have a situation where it rallied to 400 and then it retraced back down to about 130. Recently it touched up near 400 again. So that would be the cup. And possibly what we're seeing now is the handle. For this analysis, what I want to know is what kind of retracement should I expect in a cup and handle formation for a major cryptocurrency. For this analysis, I want to look at another cup and handle formation to see how far the retracement will be on Ethereum. So I'm going to use Bitcoin's cup and handle formation as a template to look at Ethereum. So I begin the Fibonacci retracement from the low there, and then I bring it up to the high of the cup and handle formation. So I have drawn the cup formation here, and here is the handle retracement that Bitcoin did right before it rallied to new highs. So if we go to the Ethereum chart, we can look at the same level. It's the 0.618 Fibonacci level. And that 0.18 or 0.618 level on the Ethereum chart brings us to about 300, so right in this range here. Also with Ethereum, we have to be aware of the hard fork situation. So how Bitcoin worked is 2 weeks before the hard fork was the low in Bitcoin on its chart. So if we go to a recent Bitcoin chart, the first blue line here is the low, and the second blue line is August 1st when the hard fork occurred. So that's about 2 weeks difference, July 16th to August 1st. And so the beginning dates for an Ethereum hard fork are September 22. The first one should occur in September, and then the second one in October. So if we have a low in Ethereum 2 weeks before that hard fork event, that would bring it out to this red box here, somewhere in this red box, maybe a little bit outside of it, possibly, depending on the dates. And this gives us a rough guesstimate of when we should expect the low in Ethereum. So this is what I'm looking at for Ethereum. Now, in a video I made a while back, the video was titled, "Will Ethereum Fail?" I said Ethereum is going to $500. I still believe that. I've never really changed that position. I made that call on the green line here when Ethereum was about 200. From there, it rallied to 414. Didn't quite hit 500. I also said in the video that before Ethereum hits 500, it could crash, right? And it did crash quite a bit. But I still anticipate it to reach $500. Now, actually, I believe in this run, if this truly is a cup and handle formation for Ethereum, that it would actually go beyond $500. It'll probably hit something like 600 up to 960, okay? So it's going to be very hard to predict for me, at least, unless you watch it on a daily basis, how high it'll go. But it could go quite high in this run, because this is a mature market run. It's kind of like, it's kind of like the rally we've seen in Bitcoin from 200 to 5,000. Okay, that's maybe what we're going to see with Ethereum, except Ethereum starts a little lower, and Ethereum also has a different sort of valuation situation because it has more coins. But keeping those in mind, I would expect something like 600 to the 960 range for the next move higher in Ethereum if this truly is a cup and handle formation. Also, I just wanted to share that if we do hit the upper ranges of this price target, that it could take multiple rallies to get us there. So if we have a cup and handle formation down here, we could have a 3-phase rally or something like that to get us up to the 600 level. From there, we could have a sizable pullback before we would rally to the new highs and the upper ranges of this price target. So I just want you to understand that a cup and handle does not mean a straight line up to 900 or something like that, because I don't believe that. But as part of a multi-stage rally that goes into 2018, yes, it could get us there to 800 plus on Ethereum. Certainly could happen. So what a trader might do is they would buy Ethereum in that range there, and then they might put a stop loss in right below it, maybe a 280 stop loss or something like that. And that would be a way to trade that situation on a multi-week basis if you wanted to. So yeah, given everything going on with Ethereum, if you don't mind holding into hard forks with it, it could be a good trade or investment if Ethereum drops down to about $300 in the upcoming market moves for the next couple weeks. Now, what could happen is the first or second Ethereum hard fork could create an altcoin movement. It's perfectly possible that that happens. If it did happen, then you would expect a price spike in Ethereum. So that fits very well with the chart. We have a declining situation, and then there could be a news event of an altcoin. And if that hit, it could be very bullish and create an uptrend. So that would mirror very well with a cup and handle formation, possibly. So yeah, after seeing that in the chart, I just wanted to let you guys know. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Bye.